Morning students, today we will discuss distance and center in a tree. Distance. In a connected graph G, the distance dvi, vj between two of its vertices vi and vj is the length of shortest path between them. That is, no number of edges in the shortest path is a distance in a connected graph G. The definition of distance between any two vertices is valid only for connected graph. It is not necessary that it is a tree. Suppose we have a problem here. We have a connected graph. We have to find out the distance between vertices v1 and v5. अब इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए v1 से v5 की हमें डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसके जितने भी पाथ्स होंगे उनको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो नाउ वी कैलकुलेट ऑल द पाथ बिटवीन v1 एंड v5. लेट स्टार्ट. फ्रॉम v1 वी हैव अ पाथ e1 e2 e1 e7 e2 e1 e8 e1 e8 e6 e1 e8 e5 e10 e9 e6 e9 e5 e10. So there are 6 paths between vertices v1 and v5, and among these 6 paths the two shortest paths are e1 e2 e9 and e6. Here we have described all this which I have told earlier. Now the two shortest path is e1 e2 e9 e6, each of length 2. Hence degree of distance between v1 and v5 equal to 2. Now we will calculate the eccentricity of a vertex. So what is eccentricity? Eccentricity of a vertex v of a graph G is denoted by E of v equal to max distance between vi, vj, where vi belongs to G, and center of graph is a vertex of graph whose eccentricity is minimum. Center of graph is a vertex of graph whose eccentricity is minimum, or the minimum eccentricity of a graph is a center of graph. Suppose we have a figure, adjoining figure here, v1 v2 v3. We will calculate the eccentricity. So here v1 we have v1 v2 v4 v1 v2 v3. There are two edges for v1 to v4 and v1 to v3. So its eccentricity of v1 is 2. Now v2 we have only one edges, v2 to v4, v2 to v1, v2 to v3. Different edges, but all of edges path length is 1. So E of v2 equal to 1. Again E v3 we have the path v3 v2 v4 v3 v2 v1, which is of length 2. So eccentricity of v3 is 2. Now again we calculate eccentricity of v4, which is also 2, v4 v2 v1 v4 v2 v3. Okay, now in all eccentricity for v1 v2 v3 v4, only vertices v2 having the minimum eccentricity. So the center of graph is vertex v2, which is having minimum eccentricity. Again I am giving one question to solve you. So find the eccentricity of each of its vertices to the following graph. You have to find out the eccentricity of this graph and also calculate the center. Okay, now radius and diameter. The eccentricity of a center in a tree is called the radius of tree, and the length of longest path in a tree is called its diameter, not necessarily double of its radius. So the radius of given tree is true. ओके, सो रेडियस क्या है आपका कि जो हमारे इसेंट्रिसिटी का जो सेंटर होगा ट्री का वो उसका रेडियस कहलाएगा। जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस एक एग्जाम्पल लिया था, उसमें मिनिमम हमारी इसेंट्रिसिटी क्या थी, E v2 = 1, तो उसका रेडियस क्या हुआ था, v2 इज़ द रेडियस ऑफ द प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम। ओके, एंड डायमीटर ऑफ ए गिवन ट्री इक्वल टू द लेंथ ऑफ लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ। ठीक है, तो जो हमारा लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ की जो लेंथ होगी किसी भी ट्री में वो उसकी डायमीटर होगी। ज़रूरी नहीं कि जो डायमीटर हो वो ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स रेडियस हो। ठीक है, जैसे मैक्स ऑफ वी बिलोंग्स टू जी। ठीक, ये हमने अभी आपको जो क्वेश्चन दिया उसका हमने निकाला है क्या, उसका हमने निकाला है आपका डायमीटर। ठीक है, तो आप पहले उसकी इसेंट्रिसिटी और उसका सेंटर निकालिएगा, उसके बाद आप उसका डायमीटर निकालिएगा। ओके, थैंक यू।